Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. So for today you are going to learn new topic which is topic 7 about shapes. And then the subtopic is recognize prisms and non-prisms. So these are the things that you are going to learn, which is what is prism and what is non-prisms, alright? And then you will have to answer 2 pages of exercise in activity book, page 129 and 131. So let us study what is the meaning of prism, okay? I will play this video for you. Okay, so here are the things that you have to remember. Okay, these are the characteristics of a prism. Has 5 or more flat surfaces, has 2 opposite surfaces of the same shape and size, each called the base, and has no curved surfaces. This one is the really important point that you have to remember. A prism doesn't have curved surfaces. And then in year 3 you will only going to learn 3 prisms, okay, which is square prism, rectangular prism and triangular prism only. Okay, you must remember this name of prism. Okay, here is a shape of a cube. Okay, but in prism you doesn't call it as cube prism. Okay, you must state the name square prism. This one, square prism, because it has the shape of a square. This has the shape of a square, so you called it as square prism. And then this one, it has a shape of rectangle. See this one, it has a shape of a rectangle, so you called it as rectangular prism. This one is square prism. What about this one? This one has the shape of triangle. This one. So you call it as triangular prism. Okay, there are 3 examples of prisms only that you will learn in year 3, which are square prism, rectangular prism, and triangular prism. Alright. So let us back to the exercise. Okay, which is this? Okay, this one. Page 129. Alright. On page 129, activity 1, it's about match. Okay, if you see, these are the examples of prism. You have to match this prism with these examples of objects in daily life and its name. Okay, I will give you an example of this one. Alright, okay, this is a rectangular prism because it has a shape of rectangle. Right, remember, if it has a shape of rectangle, so its name is rectangular prism. If it has a shape of square, so we call it as square prism. Okay, this one is triangular prism. So you have to match this one to the correct object and its name. Which one? Okay, this one. Right? And then the second activity, connect the dotted lines and name the prisms. Okay, example A. Connect the dotted lines, so you have to underline this one, use your ruler. You have to connect all this dotted line and state the name. Okay, what is the name of this prism? Triangular prisms. Okay, very good. Triangular prism. So you have to write the name here. Triangular prism. Okay, triangular prism, because it has the shape of triangle. All right. So next. Okay, next. Let us watch the video again. All right. This one. Okay, this one. This is the examples of prism, and this is the example of non-prism. Remember, a characteristic of prism doesn't have a curved surface. So this one has a curved surface. So that's why it is non-prism. Okay, non-prism, bukan prisma. Alright, sphere, pyramid, cone, and cylinder is a non-prism. You have to remember there are three shapes of prisms only, which are rectangular prism, square prism, and triangular prism. In your exercise, page 131, okay, open your activity book on page 131. Activity 3. Color the prisms blue, color the non-prisms red. Okay, as you know, prisms only has three shapes. Okay, only has three shapes, which is square prisms, rectangular prisms, and triangular prisms. So you must find which one is a prism. Alright, is it this one? No, this one is a pyramid, so it's not a prism. Is it this one? It has a triangle. Yes, correct. This one is a triangular prism. So you have to color this one. And then the next one, it's a cone. Is it a prism or non-prism? A cone. Remember, a prism doesn't have a curved surface. A cone has a curved surface, so this one is a non-prism, right? And then the next one, this one is a square prism because it has a shape of square. So you colored it with blue color, dark blue or light blue. Okay, the next one is cylinder. Is it prism or non-prism? Remember, prisms only has three shapes, which is square prism, rectangular prism, and triangular prism. So this one is a cylinder. Yes, it is a non-prism. How about this one? This one is a square prism, so you have to color it. And then this one is a rectangular prism because it has a shape of rectangle. So you color it blue. Same goes for this one. This one is a rectangular prism. And then this one is a triangular prism. So these non-prisms, you have to color it with red color. These are the non-prism. Okay, so you colored it with red color. Alright, the next one, write the name of the prisms and non-prisms in the table. Okay, as you know, prism only has three types, which is a rectangular prism. So you write down the name, rectangular prism. Okay, full name, rectangular prism. And then square prism. And then the third one is triangular prism. So you write its name. Okay, the non-prisms. Okay, the red color is the non-prisms. Can you tell me what is the name of this shape? You have already learned this one in year 2. Okay, this one is a pyramid. So you write down the name pyramid. Alright, pyramid. And then this one, cone. Write down the name of it, cone. And then this one is a shape of cylinder. So you write down the name of cylinder. Alright, that's all the exercise that you have to do today. 2 pages only, 129 and 131. This one, 129 and 131. If you have any questions about this exercise or you still not understand what is the meaning of prism actually, okay, you can ask me directly. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you and Assalamualaikum. Bye.